So 2024 Defender, I'm going to give you a rundown on trimming out the door to be able to fit the door lock in there. You're going to want to remove these screws here, the 2 Torx, and these 10mm bolts here, just so that you can get the door up. When you're running the wires in, you take these off. It's a good time to do it at the same time. These are T40 Torx. Just these 2 right here and here are sufficient. Little boot can be removed a little bit, just makes it easier to get in here. You want to pull this out a little bit so that you've got some room to work. I just put a piece of roll of tape in there. You're going to be working in basically this area, but you need to trim, and you got to have a little room back here for ease. Make sure your wire is out of the way. Make sure your factory cable is out of the way when you're cutting the door. We're going to trim, we want to leave this clip. We're going to trim basically right across the top of here. This piece has to come off, and the edge on here has to come off. This piece right here, you can trim straight across and leave it just for ease of going across. But basically, you're going a rectangle. Straight across here, straight up back here, and straight here. I typically do it in a couple pieces. I cut this off, and I cut this one off, and I cut this off, and then I come back and trim this. Don't want to trim all the way to this piece. We're leaving just a little edge, just gives us some rigidity. You don't want to trim straight to this piece. So don't run into this, stop before it, and then come down. throw your wires out of the way. I gotta go look at the other door. I misspoke. You are coming straight across here basically, so you're taking this little edge out. So basically straight across the top of this edge. Again, make sure to control this out of the way. That's it.